Hello everybody, good evening. This is S.J. Madhavan talking to you. This is about lab to be set up in India for comparing COVID-19 vaccines. 6 labs to be involved, one each from Canada, Britain, Italy, Netherlands, Bangladesh and India, being the first of its kind in response to a pandemic as a setup. A global laboratory network set up as a major non-profit health emergency helps to assess data from potential COVID-19 vaccines. This will provide ways and means for scientists and drug makers to compare and speed up selecting the most effective shots. A director of vaccine R&D at the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation, London, addressing media, told the idea was to compare apples with apples as drug makers race to develop effective shots in helping to control the COVID-19 pandemic. The labs will centralize analysis of samples from trials of COVID-19 candidates under the network of Europe, Asia and North America. This is with the aim to minimize the risk of variation in results as vaccines are tested under one roof. For a new disease, developing potential new vaccines, everybody prepares their own ability by using different protocols and reagents. While getting a readout, it is difficult for comparison between different candidates. It is to make sure in comparison apples with apples by applying centralized lab approach. Around the world, hundreds of potential COVID-19 vaccines are in various stages of development. The likely final trials are expected before this year end by the frontrunners from AstraZeneca, Moderna and Pfizer, considering shots developed in Russia and China already being deployed. The immunogenicity of potential vaccines is assessed in individual lab analysis aiming to see if biomarkers of immune produced after clinical trial volunteers receive doses of vaccine candidate. The director of Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness Innovation points the issue of data collection and evaluation methods as lot of COVID-19 vaccine candidates are in the works. The samples collected, transported and stored could impact quality and usefulness of data produced. The standard evaluation of true potential is very complex since wide range of different vaccines technologies being explored. From the analysis done at a centralized lab network, the inter-laboratory variability could be removed. The Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness Innovation funds 9 potential vaccines including candidates from AstraZeneca, Moderna, Novavax and CureVac. If you find this posting interesting, please share it to your friends and relatives, click the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you.